Hello guys and gals, it's PC Wise from the Ashes here, and today's video is going to be about my first PC build ever, and if it was a mistake to make or not. Now, personally, I have some complicated feelings about that, mostly because of the fact of prices going up with AI. Everything's going up, GPU, RAM, CPU, everything. It's mostly RAM though, and GPUs and storage. Now, the specs of this computer is a Ryzen 5 5500. Now the cooler is LED, as you can see, it matches all the fans, and the cooler is a Assassin 120 refined SE white RGB. The whole build is white, as you can see. Even the motherboard right here is white. I went with a kind of unique one to get the aesthetic, but I kind of regret that because it's not the best. It's a B450M Pro RGB, but I don't even know how to pronounce that company name. I'm not even going to try it. I don't want to seem like a fool mispronouncing it. So it's all white besides the GPU. Looks gorgeous, I think, because of all the colors. The GPU is a EVGA GeForce RTX 3060 Ti, and I'm sorry for my finger in the corner. Now, the PC is an awesome build. The power supply is a MAG A550BN 80 plus bronze 550 watt MSI brand, so that's pretty cool. Now, this is my first PC build ever, and the RAM is 32 gigs with RGB. You have to change it in Signal RGB though. It's not connected to fans. I can't figure that out. I might end. Now the fans are hooked up to a LED, but this was my first PC build, so I am kind of more lenient on a few things. Now, this is kind of a budget-friendly one. I'm gonna flip through a few of these real quick. Now, this is a kind of budget-friendly one. It's like $800, which is pricey, don't get me wrong, but for PCs, it's not too bad. Now, the reason whether this is a mistake or not is because of the AI that is making all PC components jump up insane levels. RAM is over 200% pricier than it was 6 months ago. GPUs are getting pricier. Same thing with storage. I would not be shocked if other components are going to get pricier soon. It's just insane. Now, the whole reason why this is not a mistake for me is I'm going to make a YouTube channel about PCs. I'm going to continue building and selling them, hopefully flipping them and making a profit. Now, if that sounds like something you guys might enjoy, you know, just continue watching my videos. The thing is with, I also have Widens extensions. The thing is with this PC is I learned all the software stuff. I learned how to do all the components. I even tested later on this video and show you the FPS, CPU, and GPU stats while playing Marvel Rivals, which is cool, but I go into my channel a little more. This is not a mistake, I don't think. I'm going to do my own channel and have fun with it. But for other people, it is scary to build your own PCs right now. You kind of have to give or take on your situation. If it's your situation, it might fit for you, it might not. I am someone who's going to try and do this stuff, so it's not a mistake for me. Hey guys, this is my third time doing this audio recording because I just got some big news today, December 4th, that the big consumer company Micron that sells RAM to everyone is now only going to sell RAM to AI companies. No more people can, like average people can buy RAM from them. That is insane. Why does a company that focuses on selling RAM now just changing all of, I mean, they're still selling RAM, just not to us. I can't believe that. But yeah, so I guess I gotta tell you guys what this channel is gonna be about because I kind of changed some stuff with everything going on. So this channel was originally gonna be about PC flipping slash building. It'll still be about, you know, PCs and everything, but it's only going to be about like how to keep it maintained, what to do with PCs, PC software, mods, code, and all that stuff. Still going to be heavily focused around PCs. I just can't afford to buy or build WAM or PCs with the prices of WAM. They're insane. It's over 200%. I think it's going to get worse. GPUs, everything's getting more expensive, so I don't even know what a average person is supposed to do. I guess you're just not going to be able to get PCs or make PCs now. So yeah, that's very insane. I love how Logan looks in this costume. But yeah, with all that going on, this channel is going to have to go through some changes in the plans. I was planning on it being a PC flipping channel, slash other things, and now it's going to have to be more of the other stuff about PCs. And thing just picked me up like a ragdoll. Wait, uh, but the fact is with that, the whole industry with PCs and gamers are going to be affected. I'm worried about like companies like Nvidia and things like that. They're so high up there, but I mean, no company should be too big to fail, even though all government, the United States has actually bailed out companies before, but that's a whole other topic. So yeah, I don't know what really is going to happen with the WAM prices, GPU and stuff. So I am going to still do a PC channel and tech channel, but it's going to be about more than just PCs. It's going to be probably about how to fix like maybe a Steam Deck if I can get my hands on one. I'm in the talks, but I don't know if it'll work out. Or how to, you know, use mods, deep clean your PC, things like that. It's still going to be heavily focused around PCs, but it's not only going to be PC stuff. And with that, it's also not only going to be about flipping PCs or building PCs. It's going to be about a whole PC stuff, like how do you set up Mondo or monitor your CPU, things like that. But yeah, that I kind of went on a rant a little bit, but that's because I'm just so flawed. I think AI is going to kind of destroy a lot of the actual industries and not help them. But that's just could be my opinion. I know other people kind of believe that. But to leave that off, let's do the outro. See you guys. One more thing before I do the outro about this channel is that I'm going to do some tech or game news type thing because a lot of news is coming out. I think we need to stay updated, especially if companies like Micron is going to stop selling WAM to everyone and only sell to companies that, AI companies. That's insane. I think that it's a big mistake, but I'm not a CEO of a company. Anyway, I will ask you guys if you like the video, check some more out. If not, I'm not going to ask you guys watch something you don't want. So, as always, thank you for watching video and many blessings.